money, and then all you is vanished. The old cycle, the cycle number one, done. Your first account vanished in thin air, no more. And then, but the record is still there. You will know how many times you cycle. The record is there, but your account is no longer there because it's floating market. Your boat is gone. Your boat is vanished. So you get into a next boat. Okay, next boat. When you go into the next boat, you are there. Then you need two people. You bring the first, you get 100%. You bring the second, you get 100%. Now, you work for your benefit. You see that? This is how we work. And if we work in the right way, right strategy, the system will go on for 100 years. So whatever you are building today, you can pass on to the next of kin, to your wife, to your children, to your husband, to anybody. So you are building a castle for your generation. So they will have an opportunity to change and be proud of yourself. All right. So there's unlimited re-entry IDs. Gives everyone unlimited income. As I say, even if you vanish from this world, you have gone above, you have gone underground. The system still pays the sponsor. You always think you do your job only one time, but the system pays you even if the person that you brought passed away. No, there's no other system like this. Crazy system. No other networking companies, no networking system will pay you 50% commission even when somebody die. Here we pay you. The system pays you even if your downline die. If your downline don't do, once they become a member and they leave for another business or whatever they want to do, you still earn your 50%. You don't have to really build a big team, but you have to really build a sponsor. Sponsor, just keep on going, sponsoring, and you must love sponsoring. Okay, 50%. Okay, even from their new IDs that they buy, we are holding back 10% of their money, forcing them to buy a new account. Okay, and then we give some kind of what we call leniency, making them to buy a new account. Why? The new account do not need a referral. You don't have to open a wallet. You don't have to connect to your wallet. Everything is from your current wallet. So you don't have to refer anybody. You can just give birth and somebody will raise your children. That is what the new account means. And now what happens? Every time your downline purchase a new ID, you are the sponsor. If you sponsor me and I buy the first ID, $186, then I buy a new account, $100. You are the sponsor. You get another 50%. I purchase the second ID, second notes. You are the sponsor. You will still get 50%. That means you're going to sponsor me hundreds of times. Oh my goodness, if you only understand the system as I do. If 58 people here understand the system, tomorrow we can bring 580 people to this Zoom. If you decide tomorrow we can have hundreds of people, thousands of people. I used to run meeting 1,000 people. All right. So what is 58? We can go there and get more people to come in, make this society, make this community larger than ever. Make it successful. See, the referral. If somebody buy a $1 note, you get 50 cents out of it. Rest of your life. Even after your death. Per cycle. What if 5 cycle? $250. What if it's 10 cycle a month? $5. You know, most of you think, what if I don't get 10 cycles? That is what I don't want to hear. I want to hear positive thinking. I want you to think that, yes, it's possible. We can make 10 cycles. What is 10 cycles? We can make 50 cycles. If we can have 5 cycles in a day, we can have 100, we can have 30 cycles a month. 30 times 5, 150 cycles. Crazy money. what will happen to your sponsor? Oh, wow. See that? So $5, you get $2.50 again and again, again and again. Somebody buy a new notes for $10, you get $5 forever and ever per cycle. If somebody buy $20, $10 per cycle, again and again and again and again, $50. If I buy a $50 notes and I die tomorrow, you will receive $25. The sponsor will receive $25 even after my death. $100, you receive $50. Now you have 10% there. What can you use the money for? Either you upgrade your account or you purchase notes. You are able to buy more accounts. More accounts mean what? More money for you. Okay? So for those lazy kind of people, lazy kind of people who are there, okay? Oh, I don't want to do this. I don't like, I don't want, you know, those kind of things. So yeah, very busy people, busy in life, being poor. Very busy, but being poor. So those kind of people we have, but we don't really encourage this kind of model, okay, this mode of activity, because you are going to earn very little money. You are not going to earn big chunk of money, because if you are doing this, you are saying goodbye to $1 million. So when we do business, we want to build an organic way. But okay, we welcome, we want a bigger community and so on. So therefore, if you're going to receive some money, if you don't want to sponsor anyone because you don't have the skill, I don't blame you, because you are too timid, you don't have the skill, you don't have the power, you don't have the belief, you don't have the positive thinking, whatever, then you may choose to do this. Either you buy your own ID or you sponsor yourself. Complete the 5, because when you get the 5, you will have unlimited cycles already. You will ride on other people's effort. At least you come to Zoom. At least you say something positive, you know, good about the system. Don't frown. Don't complain. Don't say, oh, why is the system? Why is the cycle so late? Why is it? Because you made it late. People like you make it late, right? People like me, we work the system. That's why we, the system, pay us better. I'm in hurry to become rich. How many people are hungry to become rich and say goodbye? For such a long time, I could just go out there and do some shopping. I feel good to reward myself after a long time. Okay? So financial freedom is a must. You plan your destiny. Decide on your earnings. That is what this system is all about. It is not about the company. It's not about the owner. We don't have owner. We don't believe in that system. Enough is enough. Listening to all these crypto fancies, hyping, listening to all these traders, TikTokers, enough is enough. We come to reality. All right? Decide on your earnings. Okay, here, for a start, okay, we just start with a $36 package, which is 1, 5, and 10, and 20. You know, so if you're poor, then you have to work, right? You can do it even smaller package. But if you're poor, you have to work. There is no excuse. You have to learn. So you can buy the first account, receive $36 plus $18, you will receive $54. Minus 30%. What is the 30%? Of course, the admin, the service provider here, charge $10.80. You know, service provider, everywhere you go, even restaurant charge you service charge. So for very little service or sometimes no service at all, they charge you 5% tax. Government don't make you rich, but they always charge you tax as well. So our wonderful admin who created the system charge us 10%. So the withdrawal bonus, okay, because it's 100% payout, there is no money, no extra. So we charge your withdrawal another 10% to give the people who are working, because in this plan, we want to protect the people who work for you. Then you will have saving account. The saving account you may use to upgrade the notes, or you can also you can upgrade your account or you can buy new account. And then one cycle, every cycle, you are making $75.60 if you have done your homework. 5 cycles, you make 378. 10 cycles, you make 756. 20 cycles, 1,512. 50 cycles, 3,780. How much is your investment? $36 only. Go out there and try other investment company. For you to recover your 36 days, $36 will take 100 days. Here we can do it in a month. That's possible if you and I work together. Next, you upgrade your package to $50. Then you will earn extra, what is $180 per cycle. 10 cycles a month, $1,800. Just because you have the guts to upgrade to $50. You see that? Your action pays, your action pays, your action pays. If your action is negative, nothing pays, right? So you may opt to upgrade to $100. Today in this, no one has upgrade. They already bought the 186 package. You see that? Powerful. Because of this package, yesterday we have thousands of people who are smiling today. They made $700, $800, $900, $1,000, even $2,000 yesterday in one single day. How much are you going to make? All these members who are here, 63 members, how much money are you going to make by end of this month? You already put a seed, you are growing, and it will happen. Okay, you want to ride with us, or you want to wait and see? The choice is yours, because the life, your life, matters to you. All right. So next 10 days, upgrade to $300. More money is coming. You put little money, you are receiving more money. You put little money, you are receiving more money through the cycle. Okay, in $300 package, if we can cycle 5 cycle or 10 cycle a month only, just go 10 cycle a month, that's $10,000, and I'm sure the bank will start calling you. Right? Your transaction is going to be super duper happy, and the car that you are driving right now, say goodbye to it already. So you are saying goodbye to poverty. That is what matters. That is why we are here. We are here to support you online, offline. The global is coming together. How you are there enough to go for the $500? Of course, you make more money. I have set my mind on $1,000. That is the highest package that we have at the moment. $1,000. Why? Because I want to build my life up. If you want to become rich, you look up. You look the rich people. What are they doing? Don't look down. When you look down, there are poor people over there. They don't lift you up. They drag you down. Don't listen to them. You listen to the rich people. You listen to people like me who want to rise their life and they want to go up there. Okay? Now, withdrawal bonus. The more you grow, the more money. $1 million. All you have to do is the 5. Prefer the 5 today. Once you have done the 5, go for 10, go for 20, go for 30. Don't frown. Don't say, do I have to refer people? Oh, you're so allergic to referring people. Then what do you want to refer? Animals? Animals don't have money. People have money. So you have to refer people only. You ask God, God don't have money as well. So from 2% to 10%. Right now, in one single day, I have reached the 10% already. In one single day. Why? Because I just worked for 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, that's all. You can do it also. You look at the 5 people bring 525, 25 bring 525. Will this happen? Yes, because they are forced to buy the notes as well. So you will not have 5. You might have 50. You might have 60. First liner. Crazy is going to be crazy. Only with 5 people. That the system requires. How much money you can make? Up to $50 entry on the 5th level only. That's $2,687 per cycle. Are you bringing all the 3,000 people by yourself? Now you just start ball rolling. That's it. 5 people. Crazy. I got 5 people today in the system. I got 5 people again yesterday in the system. I got 5 people day before yesterday. I'm growing my first level to unlimited 50, 100, 150 because I see the power in this. The more you have on your first level and they start bringing people, wow, millions of dollars here. You want to become millionaire? This is $1 million plan. This is just isn't a community program. This is a millionaire making plan. All of you here, 50 over of you here, if you just believe, you will become millionaire. That's it. If you believe in God, you go to heaven. If you believe in Booster AI, you become millionaire. That's it. 10 level. You look at the income on $50. Yesterday, all the members of Booster AI were in $100. And yesterday, when we started, personally, how many people you have brought in on the $186? You are setting up your destiny. Next will be 300. You look at $231 million. You want to become a millionaire. I am giving you 231 million times. Why you want to become a millionaire? You can become $230 million man. Crazy, crazy plan. I'm excited. Are you? No, I already see that million coming in. Some can see, some don't see, some don't know what is happening as well. 3 types of people, right? Cash out, immediate. Cash out is immediate. You just spread within a second, it goes back to your wallet. Okay, there is a limitation, 10 times package per day. Why? This we can control in the system because 10 times package. Why? So you will upgrade. If you make more money, million, you have to upgrade already. So frequency every 1 hour. Why every 1 hour? Because this is blockchain. There are hackers, there are smart people out there who want to destroy you. So if the hacking takes place, then immediately we can protect your fund. The admin will come in and do the necessity, clear everything, clear the bugs, everything, right? So we are paid in USDT Arbitrum, the best blockchain bridge that we have at the moment. We are driving a Ferrari. We want smooth, we want speed, we don't want hiccups. Therefore, we don't mind paying little bit toll, little bit higher price. Yeah, you don't die by playing in Ethereum. Some people tell me, "Oh, Ethereum is so expensive." Yeah, we are class, brother. We don't look for cheap. We look for stability. That is what we do. Stability and long term. Deduction, 10% admin, 10% withdrawal income payout. We take 10% from you, but we give you back millions of dollars. 10% is the reserve for notes purchase or upgrade. And what I recommend personally, okay, this is my slide. I'm not the owner. I'm not the 001. I'm just another guy like you. So this is my recommendation. This is my PDF. I'm showing to you. So you may choose whatever wallet that you are familiar with. You want to edit this PowerPoint. You want to do your own video streaming. You want to make live anything because you are the community and get this out of your mind. We are community that you have the ability to do something, make some poster. You can inspire people with your words. You can inspire people with your works. We want you. Okay, this is your business. This is your system. The success of this system depends on every one of us. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. You want to fully experience life. You need money. You need wealth. You want to fly. You need money. You cannot simply, nobody give you a hijack in an aeroplane. You want to go to another place, you want to go shopping, nobody give you for free. You want to buy a house, you want to buy a home, you want to choose a better hospital for you or for your parents. You want to choose the best education for your children. You want to have the best life and you want people to respect you. Wealth, money is number one. You can be the best person in the world. Nobody cares about you. People only respect you with what you have, who you are. That's very important. Thank you so much. I love you, my community members. Right? I believe, I hope that you will support, you will give 100% of what you have for the success of human being of the world. Thank you so much. I love you. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.